Coach was born in the financial sector, helping turn around the fate of some big businesses through helping individuals understand what they can do differently to thrive personally and professionally. According to Harvard University, 85% of career success comes from having well-developed soft and people skills, like how we build relationships, confidence and innovate, how we work in teams, build world-class teams, create successful businesses, and how to look after our mind and body, to name but a few. We've defined 72 individual competencies that will contribute to your personal well-being, educational and career performance, and provided thousands of resources to help you enhance your skills, put learning into practice and to prosper. Step 1 is identify development. This is where the coach takes you to raise your awareness of the building blocks for success. The coach will refine the recommendation of where you focus based on your level of competence and confidence. Step 2 is set development, where C-Coach quickly and easily helps you identify your personal development priorities and takes you through a process to accept and define the steps right for you to make the changes you need. The coach then connects you to a library of over 4,500 readily available bite-sized development resources and connects you to other community members you can learn with and from. Step 3 is action, where you access your learning resources, update evidence and secure new badges of competence once you've successfully embedded new learning in practice. Journaling allows you to capture evidence of your activity that not only helps you raise productivity and well-being, but helps you embed learning into your biology. Step 4 is measure, a place packed full of reports and certificates to help you celebrate and evidence your progress and capability. Throughout the coach, there's help and prompts to give you guidance and tips. There's a dashboard to help promote positive habits and behaviours that support your development. And automated emails provide reminders of deadlines you've set and provide helpful tips and encouragement along the way. Go on, fulfill your potential and get started.